How to fix Messenger couldn't connect to camera or microphone. Firstly, check app permissions. Make sure that you have given permission to camera and microphone for Messenger. But firstly, make sure to refresh all the background apps. Close all the apps that are running on the background. Open settings on your device. Now scroll down and look for apps. Click on apps and look for the app Messenger. You can even go to the search bar on the top and type in Messenger. Now inside app info, you will see the option permissions. And inside permission, make sure that camera, microphone are in the allowed section. Click on each one of them and select allow only while using the app. Now go back to your home page and give your device a quick restart. Restarting your device clears temporary glitches that may block hardware access. Also look for any kind of updates that may be available for Messenger. Open Play Store and search for Messenger. If you see the update option, click on it to update the app. Additionally, also clear app cache. To do this, you need to go to your app info, then scroll down and select storage. Now click on clear cache at the bottom right corner. That's all for today. Thank you.